Unit 1. Listening 1. Science class. Clara and her friends are having science class. She is listening to her teacher explaining the positions of the sun and the planets. Help Clara to label the planets based on what you hear. Mercury and Venus are between the Earth and the Sun. Venus is smaller than Saturn. The Earth is nearer to the Sun than Mars. Jupiter is bigger than the Earth. The Moon is smaller than the Earth. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Neptune is bigger than Venus. Uranus is further from the Sun than the Earth. Venus is hotter than Uranus. The eighth planet is Neptune. Listening to. Listen again to the teacher's explanation and now help her to explore more about the planets by completing the sentences based on what you hear.